The Leatherman-Wingman is just that. Your go-to tool for projects around the house, on the job, or at the campsite. A great lightweight pocket-sized stainless steel multi-tool. The Wingman features an outside accessible one-hand opening blade and newly designed spring action jaws. Wingman has a total of 14 tools including spring action Needlenose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, wire stripper, 420HC combo knife, scissors, package opener, ruler, can and bottle opener, wood or metal file, Phillips, medium and small screwdriver. Personalization is a great way to make the Leatherman uniquely yours, or to make any gift extra special. With plenty of handy tools covered by the Leatherman 25-year warranty and backed by a team of designers, assemblers, and manufacturing crew from Portland, Oregon, this is one amazing value. Get your Wingman Leatherman Multitool at bonicatime.com. Other decoration locations are available for this product, so be sure to ask our professional sales team at bonicatime.com.